procedure you can follow here. How to debug?
Sir, is it like we have the sequence up to 7, so mod 8?
Good, good. See, the question was design a synchronous. See, you should be very careful with the question whether they are synchronous or asynchronous. Here they were synchronous. Design a synchronous counter for the given sequence using JK flip-flop. I told you clearly, if JK flip-flop was not given or if they didn't ask any flip-flop, just design if they give, you can pick whichever flip-flop you want. That is left to you. Okay, so now we made assumption that using JK we should design. So first thing we got to know that how to calculate the number of states. So number of states, your capital N. So as your friend told, look at a sequence. In that sequence, which is the maximum number you have?
7.
Good, 7. So it means I can count from 0 to 7. So how many states now?
8. Sorry.
Yes, how many? 8 states. Agree? So
Yes,
after
sir.
knowing number of states are 8, how to find your number of flip-flops required? Using this formula. Correct? So now, what value I should give? Can I give it as 3?
3.
Because 8
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to 8. So it means number of flip-flops required for you is how much here?
3.
3. So any doubts, anyone to debug this? See, instead of asking mod 8 counter, they are given sequence. See, there is a difference between mod 8 counter to this. Can anyone tell me what is the difference between mod 8 counter to this counter? Can anyone tell me what is the difference between mod 8 counter to this counter? This is also like mod 8 only, right? What can be the difference you can find here? Yeah? You got the question what I'm asking you?
Sequence.
Sequence. Good. See, if it is mod 8, the count will happen 0, 1, 2, 3 till 7. If you write that as a next state, for 0 you will write as 1, 1, 2, then 2, 3, 4, 5, so on, right? But look at here, that is not the category you have to consider. You have to go with the sequence what is given in the question. So that is a major difference between your mod 8 counter to this also mod 8 with the sequence. So I hope you got till here everyone. Shall I proceed? Shall I?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Okay, fine. So once you got to know that number of states are 8 and number of flip-flops are 3, so you got to know you require 3 flip-flops to design. So what is next step? We need to build a truth table, right? See, logic is simple. First count the number of states. From that number of flip-flops required, then build a truth table. So that truth table should involve your what? Excitation table also. Correct? So from that K-map, from that equation, then you can design a logic diagram. So this is what the procedure you have to follow. Okay, na? So we got the first category, JK flip-flop and number of required 3. So now we will proceed with the truth table. So this truth table plays a major role in this type of problem. So present state, next state and flip-flops. So flip-flop inputs. So how many flip-flops are required now?
3.
3 flip-flops. So it means I can designate JA, KA one category. Similarly, JB, KB one more category, and one more is JC and KC. So this is what the thing you can find in truth table. So how many states you can take in present state? How many states you can consider? How many variables?
3. 3.
3 variables because we found n is equal to 3. So we can stick on with ABC. Okay. So what will be your next state? Designation will be
A plus
A
1.
plus, B
B
plus
plus.
and C plus. Serene, bro. So you can write this column here itself. Okay, here we can mention this. So now present state, how many combinations you can get here? Is it visible what I'm writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many states? How many combinations? 3 states, sorry, 8 states you have. Combinations are 3. So I can write from 0 to 7 as a present state. 1. So I hope everyone got till here. Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now you should be very, very careful. Earlier problem you used to do mod 5, mod 6 or any mod n counter. Straight away could have written if it is mod 5. So next state will be 1. Next 1, 2, 3. Correct? Now whenever the sequence is given, go with the sequence. Observe carefully. Look at the sequence. Tell me for 0 state, what is the next state?
1.
For 0 is the state, present state. For that, what is the next state?
1.
So you can look at here. So for 0, you need to have 1 as a next state. Fine. If it is 1, then
3.
3. Good.
3.
So for 1 present state, the next state should be 3. Now for 2, what will you consider for 2?
0. 0.
You're not supposed to write 0 because you can't judge this belongs to 0 or what?
7, sir.
Pardon? 7 is there for which one? For third.
3.
Present state 3 means 7. See, whenever we are stuck like this, so default you need to go with don't care conditions. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So you need to write all 3 states as X. It means don't care condition because in the given sequence there is no present state 2 itself. If it is not there, how we can take next state? Correct now? That's why default will go with a don't care condition. Understood here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Go with the next. For 3.
7.
For 3, the next state is 7. So they designate with number 7. What about 4? Where is 4 in sequence? 4 is here. What is the
0.
next state for this 4?
0.
0. So I should write after 4, the next state becomes 0. What about 5?
Don't care.
Don't care because sequence 5 is nowhere in the picture. Hey, Artha Agtindra?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So what about 6?
4.
Good. 4 and last 7,
6.
6. So it's 1, 1, 0. See, if you are able to fill this next state column perfectly, then remaining will become easier for you. If you make mistake here, complete problem is going to be wrong and you are going to lose complete 10 marks. So have you got the first step to follow with this type of sequence problem?
Yes, sir.
Good. So now, how to fill this present state flip-flop? What is the thing you need to know?
Excitation.
Very good. Excitation table. I hope in the last class I taught you how to get that excitation table for you clearly. So is it fine with you? So can anyone tell me what is the excitation table for my JK flip-flop? So you need to write Qn plus 1 followed by JK. So sequence I told you 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Yeah. So what was the sequence for 0, 0?
0. Don't care.
0 and don't care condition. Yes. Good. Next.
1. Don't care.
1 don't care. Good. Next.
Don't care. 1.
Don't care 1. Good. Last one.
Don't care. 0.
Don't care 0. So I hope everyone remember this excitation table. See, if you know this, then only you can fill this table. Okay. So now what you should do after knowing this excitation table, compare with what? With
A and A plus.
A plus. So this is like your JA answer. Am I clear? Compare this to A and A plus. For 0, 0 combination, what is the answer here?
0.
0 dash.
0x. Don't care. Okay. Next 0, 1. Say, oh, parent got what I'm comparing? I'm comparing A with next state. Present state A with next state A. Again 0, 0, 0x. So 0, x is there. What you'll consider for 0x? What you'll consider for x? Either you can take 0 or 1. It's
0
your
or
wish. What's the answer? It should be A.
X.
You can write xx only. Correct na? Anything. It can be anything. Artha Kendra.
Yes,
Next.
sir.
0, 1. So compare 0, 1. What's the answer?
1x.
1x. Next again 1, 0, x1.
X1.
Again 1, 0, sorry, 1x is there. So it goes to impedance state. I mean, don't get condition. Then again 1, 1, x0. And last again 1, 1, x0. So any doubts, anyone, how to fill this JA, KA for the flip-flop table? Am I clear?
Sir, this sequence, you should take the present state only as the sequence numbers, no, sir?
Present state, sequence number. No? You're talking about this sequence, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is the given sequence of next state for the present state in the question. Am I clear, Sudhanva?
Yes, sir.
See, you can't take the given sequence as a present state. Why? If you consider that itself, then what you will do? You will take reverse concept for this. The given question is design for the sequence. So it means they are given the next state themselves. We need to know for which present state that condition is going to apply. Am I clear?
Sir, but for the next state, we can take the next this number, no, sir?
Next state you will take what?
For present state, if we take that sequence, then the next state we can take the next number, no, sir?
You're telling like this. If you take 0, 0, then followed by 0, 1, then followed by 3, then followed by 7, then followed by 6, then 4. This is what you're telling, right? You will take
Yes,
this
sir.
itself as a present state.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what you will write for next state, let me know here. So for
For
0,
0, it will be 1.
Zero.
For
yeah, 1,
yes.
okay, for 1,
For 1, it will be 3.
for 1 it will be 3. Okay, then
For 3, it will be 7. Like that.
3 it will be 7. Then
For 7, it will be 6.
7 get 6 up. Okay. Then 4
4
Then
is 0.
0. Then
Again
for 0
zero.
we'll write.
Again, we
Zero.
can take.
For 0 we'll write 0 only.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you write like this, so is it, do you think that the number of states, the capital N is matching with that? How many states you have? The maximum state was 7. So initial
Yes, sir.
state was 0. It means the count will happen between 0 to 7. So you should have 8 states. But the sequence only for how much?
7 states.
7. So will your capital N will match with this?
No, sir.
That is why we told keep the present state with this as a maximum. Then next state, depending upon this, what we should write, that is the hint they are given the question. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
If you do like that, then all the sequence will get covered. If you write only this much, what will happen now? See here, so this term and this term, this don't get condition, complete column is going to missed or complete row is going to missed. Is it okay, Siddharma?
Yes, sir. Fine.
Yeah. So proceed now, others. So just fill the value of JB as well as KB. So finish the table. So if you write this table, then comes your K map. Finish up this table. So compare 0, 0. Tell me the answers for this here. Right, like right. 0x. Amala.
1x,
1x.
1x.
xx,
Then
x0,
x0,
okay,
0x,
0,
okay,
xx,
XX,
XX.
x1,
X1,
Next one
x1,
X0.
0. X last one is x0.
x0.
Okay. Now, is it fine here? So fill up. So you still about how to deal with this type of sequence oriented? Let me know here. So always remember present state depends upon the number of given sequence, the maximum number. Okay. So fill up the last column. Answer.
1X,
Ah.
X0,
Hmm.
XX,
Hmm.
X1,
X1,
0X,
0x,
XX,
xx,
0X,
0x,
X1.
x1, 1x, x1.
Sir, that
Then apart-
fourth one is x.
fourth one is x0, sir.
Fourth one, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one,
Upper one, sir.
this
The
one.
upper
So X0.
x0.
So 1 is x0. Yeah. So 1 condition is x0. See, I told you clearly, whenever you are trying to fill this table, keep your excitation table aside so that it will be easy for you to write the things comparably. See, if I write here, just compare this, keep writing. Don't write one in the previous page, one in the next page, and keep turning the pages and you'll commit a mistake. Is it fine? So you should be very careful while filling this because this table will fetch you next level. So K-map building, then design. So this will be very, very careful with this, right? So go ahead. So next I want to design what? A logic diagram I need to require. So for that,
Okay.
I need to get a expression. If you have an expression with you, we already know we require 3 JK flip-flop. For that, connection should be made depending upon this equations. So now let's plot a K-map for your JA. That is your next step. Step 1, to find the number of states. Step 2, number of flip-flops required. Step 3, this K-map plotting. And after this, step number 4 is your K-map representation. And step 5, using that equation, designing a logic diagram. So this is the 5 steps you're supposed to follow for any design of synchronous or asynchronous. Is it fine here? So since it is a 3 variable, how many flip-flops required?
3.
So 3 means how many cells here?
8.
Good. So make a, I will write 1 for you. So I wanted to fill up this remaining. So I'm going to consider the inputs A, B, C. So 0, 0, 1 combinations. I hope you remember the K-map, right? So no problem with plotting of K-map. So let me fill 0 is 0, then 0. I think it's x1 and remaining all xxx. So you can group it using what? Is it a pair, quad or octa? Which one? Which one? You have to start with the highest priority. First check out for octa. Octa is not possible, then come to your quad. Not possible pair, then single. So now quad is possible. So this quad can you consider here? Is it fine? Everyone? So what is the answer for this? So I think it's B. So can I write JA is equal to B as expression? Am I audible? Sunny, you want to tell something?
No, sir.
Okay. So I hope you got how to plot the K-map, everyone. B section guys, any doubts here?
No, sir.
Fine. So can you finish off the remaining part now? So similarly, you plot for KA, JB, everything, and tell me what is the equations individually. Anybody want me to put a K map for any other sequence? Means let me know. Let me make a K map, or else straight away you can tell me the answers. Next, KA. What is the answer for KA? So fill that answers and tell me. By the time others, if you have doubt, you can ask me. So next, you plot this K map, this sequence. So what is the answer for second one? What is the answer for your KA? Any doubts, anyone, how to plot the K map? If you have, you can ask me.
QB bar.
You will get Q also.
Sir, only B bar.
Only
I
B bar.
mean, I took QB.
Okay, if you have doubt, let me trace it once more for you, so that your doubt will get clear. So 0, 1. So take A, B, C. See, there is no picture of Q on in the sequence, right? It is only A, B, C. Correct, na? Yeah? How can
Yeah,
I
I
write Q?
took Qs.
Okay, fine. No, according to your input, you can change, not an issue. If you taken your present state, next state as
Yes,
Q,
sir.
QB, that is left to
I
you.
took in the same.
Okay. So is it B bar?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Next, JB. JB. So JB sequence 0, 1, X, X, again 0, triple X. So I think this is your number of ones. So from this you are going to get 1. I think it's C.
C, sir.
C na?
Sir.
Okay, good. So go ahead,
Yes,
next
sir.
one. So same way, let me get the answer of KB also. So find all answers and tell me that. We'll plot one K map for JKB also. What's the answer for KB?
B.
How much? B.
Yes, sir.
You will get B as answer for JKB.
BC bar, sir. Only BC.
You will get BC bar.
C bar.
Right. How much? Why you will get different answers? Your answer should be same, no? So it's X, X, X.
Sir, C bar.
Estapa?
C bar.
C
C
bar.
bar.
Okay, let's verify. So this is how the K map look like, right? So you can take these two. Certain wrong? Quad. Either the two is a quad, yes or no? So from this end, the common terms, what you should take? It's B bar, C bar. So this is your B, C bar. Common term C bar, tana? Correct, yeah?
Yes, sir.
You should be, that's why I told be careful while plotting K map. You verify for few seconds, not an issue. Don't proceed blindly. So everyone got C bar. So same way calculate for JC and KC. Check out the answer for JC and KC.
Sir, JC is A bar.
JC, A bar. Okay,
A bar.
good. So others got same answer, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What
Yes,
about
sir.
last one, KC here? How much here? See, time management in the problematic subject is very, very important. So as much as possible, you keep
Sir.
practicing on the
Yeah.
paper. How much?
Yes,
no
sir.
answer.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Oh, good. So everyone got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. See, once you got all the expression from the K-map, the last step will be your implementation or designing of your synchronous counter for the given sequence using JK flip-flop, what I told. So how many you have calculated? 3 JK flip-flops required. So write the 3 JK flip-flop with sufficient space between them. So give sufficient space. In the exam, if you want, you can make horizontal of your sheet also, not a problem. Okay. So this is your A, B, and C. Designate with JA, KA, and corresponding QA, QA plus, or AA plus. Both are same. I can write QA as A also. Correct? Similarly here also. So naming of all is very, very important. So name it properly here. So QB plus. Similarly, JC, KC, QC, and QC plus. So what is the common term for all the resistors now?
Clock.
Good. See, again I will stress, if the question is asking for positive edge of a clock, then you can go with this symbol. If it is positive edge of a clock, you can combine all in this fashion. If the question is for negative edge, then what should be added here?
Bubble.
Bubble.
You need to add a bubble here. That is the only change. If they not ask anything, you can design whichever way you want. Okay. So this is a common clock what I can fit. So that is the advantage of your synchronous, right? In case of asynchronous, this clock pulse depends upon the output of each state. So the delay was more, so time consumption it was more, right? The delay part. But it is the advantage of your synchronous. Any doubts? Anyone till here? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now we'll go with the things what we got. So you climbed JA is equal to B. So where is JA? It's here. So where is B? I already told you B is nothing but what?
Output of flip-flop B.
Good. So you can climb QB itself as your the first one JA. So I can connect this in this way. Artha Chidya? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Good. Next. KA implies B bar. So KA means this one that implies B bar. So B bar is it this is a B bar? So connect this to your KA. See, this jump is important. Don't connect directly. Put a jump wherever you get a crossover. Okay. Is it fine? Understanding here how to design the things? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Go with next. JBC. So JB is here. So C is here. You can climb that here. JB. Next. KB, C bar. So KB you can connect C bar. Okay. And last part JC implicates A bar. So A bar is here. Okay. And last KC implicates A. So you can take A here. That's it. That's it, yeah.
Yes, sir.
So you can designate the input output also in this. See ABC, you can take ABC out and you can designate, correct, Andro? So this is what your QB, QPC are called as output part. Can I call this all three out and called as outputs? Everyone. So your QA, QB and QC. So in this, which is a MSP, which is a LSP?
QC is
Sir,
MSB.
MSB,
So
QA.
you write that and write in the bracket LSB and MSB. So that concludes the designing of a synchronous counter for the given sequence. So this is for the 10 marks question. So second type of problem what you can expect in this. Am I clear with this to everyone? Am I?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I will give one more sequence. I won't do anything. I just want you to fill the table. Then later part you can finish up this designing part. Okay. I'm not going to do again this same procedure. I'm going to change the sequence for you. I want you to tell the present state, next state table. If you get that, then remaining you will fill easily. Okay, na?
Sir, for every question, excitation table is similar, sir, for every question.
No. Excitation table similar if it is JK flip-flop. If it is SR, different. If it is D, different. If it is T, different. We did know in the last class.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So excitation table depends upon your flip-flops. So in this, it was JK. So in the previous problem also, I think we saw JK. That's why it looks similar for you. Okay, let me change the question now. You understand? Hold on. So we'll give the sequence. I want you to analyze this using different flip-flops. So if you understand one problem, same concept remains. Hold on. Design a synchronous counter. Design a synchronous counter using SR flip-flop and T flip-flop. I'll repeat, using SR flip-flop and T toggle T flip-flop to count the following sequence. To count the following sequence. So sequence are 7, 4, 3, 1, 6. After 1 it is 6. Then 0, 7. So on. I will repeat the sequence. Sequence is 7, 4, 3, 1, 6, 0, 7. Written the question? Everyone written the question here? Is this fine till here? Question written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me the equivalent present state and next state. And I ask you to design for both SR flip-flop and T flip-flop. You write a table for one, then you can do the remaining part later. So let's move on to Miller-Moore concept now. So present state. So how will you decide now? Which is the maximum sequence here?
7.
7. So you can judge the number of states. N is equal to how much here?
8.
8. So 2 power n greater than or equal to your capital N is 8. So what is n sequence again? 3 now?
3.
Okay. So type of flip-flops will get changed. Step number 2, it is SR flip-flop. Step 1, to find this number of flip-flop required. Step 2, the type of flip-flop uses SR flip-flop and D flip-flop. First you plot for SR, same concept you repeat for D flip-flop or T flip-flop. Okay, next truth table. So present state A, B, C. Next state with respect to your A plus, B plus, C plus. So with respect to next your flip-flop inputs. If it is SR flip-flop, SA, RA, similarly SB, RB, so on. So this I think you can do it. So I just want the answer for this, that's it. Next you will do yours. So we can writing the present state, next state. Change. Yeah. So now tell
Sir, your voice is breaking.
next
Sir.
state for 0 present state. Pardon?
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Yes, here he told something.
Sir, your voice was breaking, sir.
Not audible, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now am I audible? I'm audible now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, I asked you to build a truth table for SR flip-flop inputs. Present state are listed from 0 to 7. So I want the next state from you people is what I asked. So if it is 0, what is the next state here?
7.
If it is 0, what is the next state?
7.
7.
Look at here. So after 0, 7 is there. So you can climb 3 ones. Next, 1,
6.
3.
6. So it's 1, 1, 0. Good. 2,
0, sir.
Don't care.
don't care. Don't write
Don't
0.
care.
If it is not there, it may be either 0 or 1. That's why you write don't care condition. Next,
1.
3.
1.
And
1.
1.
3, it's 1. So this state. Good. 4.
3, sir.
3.
3.
So for 4, it is 3. 0, 1, 1. 5.
Don't care, sir.
Don't care.
6.
0.
0.
Good. So for 6, so that's why you write a sequence in one side, you can get to know. What is 7?
4.
For 7, it is 4. See here after this, it's same sequence. See, dot dot indicates what? Again after 7, 4 will come, 3 will come, 0 will come. That is the meaning. Artha aita?
Yes, sir.
So after this, I can write 4. See, if you are able to write this, then excitation table for your SR flip-flop, what you need to enter here. Don't blindly enter every time JK flip-flop only. Depending upon the question, excitation table will get differ. So let's write excitation for SR. So remaining you can fill later. So you can leave space and you can consider the problem. Yeah. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Answer order. For 0, 0, what was excitation table? SR flip-flop.
0 dash.
0 x. Amala.
1 0.
Good. Next.
0 1. 0
0 1. Good. Last condition.
dash.
Dash.
0
0 1.
0.
Okay. So I think there is a
X0.
slight change compared to your SR to JK. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So using this logic, you can combine EAA, BB and CC and you can fill the truth table and you can do the designing. I hope from here onwards you can do, right? Everyone, is it fine? Will you solve this problem? Shall we move on to next one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So then straight away we'll move to next concept, Mille-More. So still, if you find any difficulties of any counter design, let me know, or else we'll move to Mille-More. Any other doubts in this topic, Sudhanva?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we got the sequence part properly. Yeah. Okay, now.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Sir,
Ah.
sir, at last that we need to draw the circuit diagram, right, sir? So for this sum, we will get 2 circuit diagrams, right, sir? For this sum.
Yeah. So you're talking with respect to SR and T flip-flop, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
SRT.
See, the truth table what I wrote, this is completely different. It is only for SR, correct now?
Yes, sir.
So same
Yes,
way
sir.
you need to write for T also. Okay?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Because excitation table for T flip-flop is not this. It is different, right?
Different.
So because
Yes,
it is only one input, according to that, I think I gave in the last class how to write. That you should implement here. So number of flip-flops required, you write. So you won't get two concepts there. It is only
One.
T.
Ah, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, depending upon the design you should do. That's all. Okay, va?
Yes. Okay, sir.
Okay. So is it fine? Shall we move on to Mille-Moire concept here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So we'll go with Mille and Moire. So these are the two different scientists who given their own logic to analyze your FSM. I hope everyone know FSM means what? What does FSM stands for? Yeah. FSM. You not heard the word FSM here? Am I audible or not?
Finite state
Finite state. M stands for
machine.
machine. Good. So FSM, finite state machine, wherever you have state diagram and state table, two scientists, Mille and Moire, generated their own analogy or own design from which we can get a simplified expression or simplified logic diagram. Okay, now, can anyone differentiate me? How will you differentiate your Mille and Moire? Difference between Mille and Moire. Yeah.
More output function is depending on present state of boot.
Good. So Moire model will depends what you told output function
It's
on
depending
your
on
present
present.
value now. Correct, no? It depends on your present value.
Yes, sir.
Good. What about Mille?
Previous output also.
Okay. So present as well as previous. Sarindra? Right? So what about the number of states required? Is it more or less in Mille? Number of states.
Mealy will be n states, more will be n plus 1 states.
Good. So Mille will be n, Moire will be n plus 1. It means number of states are more in case of Moire. Correct, Appa? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So how to do the representation part? See, we know the model difference just now what we discussed. How will you differentiate the Mille and Moire? If you write Mille and Moire with respect to design. See, in the question they will give you to do a design using Mille or Moire FSM model. Okay. So if it is Mille, so we will discuss how the states will come. So I'm just showing one example now. So if it is like this. So such kind of representation is a category of Mille. So here you represent one, the first one input, the second one is output. Sarendra? So whenever we take any state, we have two. If it is 0, what happens? If it is 1, what happens? Correct, Appa? If A is at 0, what happens? If A is at 1, what happens? According to this diagram, if it is 0, it's in 0 state, means A state only. If it is 1, it goes to B state. Agree? Agree, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So this is how you're going to represent a Mille diagram. How about Moire? So there is a slight change from diagram wise. So you tell me what is the difference between these two diagrams? What is the meaning of this? Look at the diagram and tell me how you differentiate. So itself also possible. But you can make out some differences there from that to this. What is that?
Out
What is
values.
the gap? What is the meaning of this A bar 0 then parta?
Out values.
So this denominator, I mean 0 value represents the output. Kata. Is it fine here? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
See, you just have this two diagram in your mind. So whichever they have asked, so this should be in your mind that this is how I should do the designing of any given model. Okay, now. So we'll move on to your problem. So before solving problem, I think they are given a formula to find the state and state variable. What was that? So I think it was 2 power x is equal to y. Do you remember this state formula?
Yes, sir.
So x indicates what here?
Number of state variable.
Good, nothing but your flip-flops. Katapa.
Yes, sir.
What about y?
Maximum number of possible states.
Same
Total
thing.
max.
See, we wrote this formula right earlier. 2 power n, capital N. Is it same? Is it like same thing?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So there we are not considering greater than here. That's all. That is the only change. X was same like n, and y is nothing but n. So this formula just have an awareness. So then we'll move on to problem straight away. We'll try to analyze the logic between your Millet and Moore. Okay. Write down. Construct. See, whatever concept they give, stick on with the procedure, everyone. So the same procedure is supposed to follow. Okay. Construct the transition table. Construct the transition table, state table, state table, state diagram, for Moore sequential circuit given below. For Moore sequential circuit. So you need to design a straight table, state transition table, state diagram for Moore model. So you should underline that word Moore model. So that is what the outcome last diagram I don't know. Like that I should get a state diagram. Fine. For the given sequential circuit. For the given sequential circuit, another question. Just tell me, is it visible properly or not? So they are given with respect to JK flip-flop. Is it visible here? Diagram is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write on the question first. So let's try to analyze this. So they are given with respect to J and K, I mean JK flip-flop with respect to AB. So QA bar. So they are given the equation A bar. So expression will be given for you in the diagram itself. You just need to build the things what they have asked. So what type of clock is given? What type of clock? Positive edge. Good. So if bubble was there, it would have told you it is negative edge. Okay. If it is not visible, let me know here. So connection wise, if you have doubt, let me know it. So this is your B and B bar. So one more input is given to B here for AND gate. And same thing they are given to your J also. Okay now. So this is the question what they are given. And this final output will be given to one more XOR gate. And this is your F. So look at the question. Is it visible completely? Let me know. So this is a given sequential circuit diagram for you. Okay. This connection is from B and A bar left free, B bar left free. Yeah. Okay. So this is a given question. Is it visible here completely, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Just make a note of question. Let me know. Over here. Written the question. Over here. Written the question here. Shall we move on?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So step number 1, you need to build a flip-flop input equations from the given sequential diagram. So what is a flip-flop input equations? You need to know what is your JA, what is your KA, similarly JB and KB, along with the final output F. Okay, na? So can you tell me what is the final equation from this? F equals what here? What is F equals?
A XOR B.
So look at the connection here for F. So what type of gate it is first of all? It's a XOR gate. Katapa.
Sir.
It's a XOR gate. Connection from A and connection from B. Okay na? So can I write this F as A XOR B? Is it fine?
Yes,
A
sir.
XOR B. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So from this, we need to write the individual flip-flop inputs. I'm stressing flip-flop inputs. Okay. So what is your JA equals to? Look at the connection for JA. JA is connected to this B. So can I claim JA is equal to B? Okay na? Similarly, JB with respect to B register, JB.
X bar.
Good. X bar. See here, X is here. It means it's a NOT gate, right? So I should get complement. So X bar is connected to my third term. Next. Similarly, I need to write KA and KB. So what is K equals to here?
B into X bar.
So check out where is KA. KA is here. So you can look at here. So from this it's X bar. From this it is B. So can I claim it as B X bar? Is it fine? I am just writing the things.
Yes,
What is there in the diagram? That's all. What about next last KB?
A into X.
KB
A
is the
XOR X.
AX.
So A
AX.
is
AXOR X.
here and X is the input
A
from
XOR
here
X.
for the XOR gate. So I can claim A XOR B or sorry A XOR X or X XOR A. Both are same. Okay now? Is it fine? Okay, Tilia?
Yes, sir.
So this should be your step number 1. So writing the final output along with what all the individual input for the corresponding flip-flops you're supposed to mention in the step number 1. Let's go with step number 2. We need to know the characteristic equation of any flip-flop. I think that characteristic equation you already know from the transition table, right? So same thing we need to write here. So what was the transition equation for your JK flip-flop? Second step is characteristic equation or a transition from the transition table, right? The next state, that is next state, right? So what was the formula there? In the map, see, you need to put a K map for the transition table. You are going to Q bar plus. So if you ask how we got this, this will be getting from the K map plot. So from your transition table, my Qn and Jk. So you remember this transition table just now we wrote from other problem, right? So you're going to fill the values. So grouping will be done like this. So I hope you remember the transition table here. Look at this. So this grouping will tell you this expression. So Qn plus 1. I have written an expression for a transition characteristic equation of Jk flip-flop. Is it fine? So depending upon the transition table, nothing but excitation table for each flip-flop, the equation will get varied. Is it fine, everyone, till here?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
yeah.
Pardon? Someone has some doubt here?
Sir, can you repeat K map, sir?
See, K-map, you're going to plot depending upon your table. We wrote no excitation table earlier. You go back to your earlier problem, normal truth table of K-map to your excitation truth table. So I think you had combination 0, 0. In that I wrote some x. So this x means I can take 0 or 1. So for 0 or 1 we wrote no change. Then
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
so from that table, I have plotted the K map by considering this series table is for Qn plus 1. So for Qn plus 1, I have considered Qn and Jk as the inputs. From that, this is the K map you are going to get. I have picked only one. Wherever one is there, it has been picked and you can dump here. You just go back table, dump once, then let me know if you have doubts. Is it fine? Because again, I have to explain excitation table again if you want to tell this. I already told you yesterday, right? That table once I have picked here, from that grouping is done. So for this grouping will tell you this is excitation or characteristic equation anta. Okay na? Is it fine? Shall we proceed here? Everyone, is it fine or what?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So once you write the characteristic equation from the transition table or excitation table, what is the next thing you want? You want to get this Q plus
QA
for
plus.
both QA plus as well as B, QB plus. Cut up. So what is this? Wherever Q is there, replace with that A term, JA, QA bar plus KA bar QA. So what is the value for this? What is JA equals to? Can't generally, what is JA
B.
equals to?
B.
B. So B into QA bar. Sarina, plus what was KA? KA was this. So it's like this into QA. Understood what I wrote, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now you will look at that. Is it like your De Morgan's theorem? I hope everyone
Yes,
remember
sir.
De Morgan's theorem. You have two De Morgan's theorem. AB bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Similarly, A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar into B bar. NP general De Morgan's theorem, basic electronics.
Yes, sir.
So that logic I can implement here. So if you implement here, what is the expression? Let me know.
A bar B.
For this, yeah.
X plus B bar into
X plus B bar
B
into.
bar into A.
So I hope everyone got how this X bar become X correct. So X bar complement bar will get cancelled. Left out is only X plus B bar. Artha idappa? Is this fine?
Yes,
Yes,
Everyone?
sir.
Okay, good. So now you look at in the diagram, they have given hint for you that QA is nothing but A, Q bar nothing but A bar. Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir.
That you can substitute here. So that tells you it's A bar nothing but A bar B plus X plus B bar into A.
Yeah.
So that is the expression for your QA plus. Any doubts, anyone till here? Is it fine here?
So repeat.
We will repeat which one here, this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we wrote this QA plus from this calculus equation. Then we know what is the value of JA. So JA is equal to B. I have substituted B. Then QA bar as it is I kept. What is K? Value of K is B XR bar. But that is again whole bar is there. So it looked like a De Morgan's theorem. Apply De Morgan's theorem rule. Theorems are the De Morgan's theorem. So it says B bar plus A bar plus B bar. So now I can treat A bar plus B bar here. X bar get cancelled. It is a double complement. It looked like this. So these two complement get cancelled. Left out is X plus B bar and QA as it is. After that, I want all the expression in terms of AB only. For that purpose, in the question they are given QA nothing but A, QA bar nothing but A bar. That I have substituted in this equation. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Napa. So same way, can you tell me for QB also? J, B, QB bar plus KB bar QB. Yeah, substitute the values and let me know. I will erase this part. Anyhow, I got the equation right.
X bar B bar.
One problem will fetch you 10 to 14 marks. So be careful while doing Mille More. So you can easily score 10 to 14 marks here. You just remember the excitation table. That's all. Yeah. What about JB? Any expression now?
X bar B bar.
So JB is here, X bar. So Q bar, let me know directly what is Q bar equals to?
B bar.
B bar. Good. Next. So this is your complement now. X or B whole bar into Q bar nothing but B. Sign up earlier go.
Yes,
Is it
sir.
fine here?
Yes, sir.
So we got the expression for QA plus and QB plus. This is your second step, right? So let's write the next one. Step number 3. Wrong. Plot next state for each flip-flop. Plot next state for each flip-flop. So you should tell me now from that expression for A plus. See the table what I'm writing, not a K-map. It's a next state table. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. See, I told it's not a K-map. So don't write 0, 1, 2, 3. It should be in order. 0, 1, 2, 3. Arthat children? What I'm writing now? I need to build or plot a next table for each flip-flop. So you have two flip-flop with you. One is A plus, one is B plus. So that's why I wrote for A plus. And inputs are AB followed by X. Now tell me how to fill the table. What is the hint you have with you? What is the hint you have how to fill the table now? That is not a K-map. Have your mind, that is not a K-map. It is just a normal table to fill the next state. Yes? How to fill that? Anyone knows?
Excitation table.
Not excitation table. You have equation with you, right? See, I have found the expression for my A bar. Let me write here. So A is nothing but QA plus. What is the expression you got at the end? A bar B plus X plus B bar into A. Sarinappa. So this is what the expression you got. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So AB is having 4 combination and X is having only 2 combination. Now what is your task? Substitute X is equal to 0 once with the corresponding AB input, get the answer. Similarly, substitute
0,
X
0.
equals to 1 and followed by AB, all 4 combination, get me the answer. Artha aita?
No, sir.
Okay, let me repeat.
0, 0, 1.
Okay, let me repeat. I want this table to be filled using these equations what we got in the previous step, right? See why you want this table, I'll let me know. Because next you need to get a table of your state diagram, right? That time this is helpful for you. If you write here, straight away I'm going to copy paste there, nothing new. Okay. For that purpose, I'm telling you to fill this table, you climb x equal to 0 first. X equal to 0 and combination of AB. Initially what here? 0, 0. Substitute this 3 in this equation. A is 0 becomes 1. B is 0 means complete. X is 0. B bar is 1. Into A is 0. So complete term becomes 0.
0.
So can I climb it as 0 here? Yeah, Artha aitendra.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me for second one. Second combination 0, 1. X is same. 0 only.
0, sir.
You will get 0. Check out properly and
Yes,
tell.
sir.
A is 0. It means it become 1 here. So 1 into 1 is 1.
Sir, 1.
Plus X is 0. 0 plus B bar becomes 0. It's 0 only. Into A is 0. This complete part is 0. What about this? Is it 1? Artha aita artha agilappa.
Yes, sir.
So can I write this as 1 now? Understood, yeah? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
So continue answer for next two, then I will come to understood or not. Yeah, 1 0.
1, 0.
No, answer is what? 1 na?
1, sir.
Okay. Next, last one.
0.
Hey, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತೇನ್ರಿ ಇವಾಗ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So same way you get me the answers for x is equal to 1 also. Substitute that values in this equation and tell me.
0.
Okay. Then
All 1, sir. 1, 1, 1, 1.
So anybody any difficulties to write this table? If you write this table, what is the advantage? Later part I will let you know. Let me fill this first. Is it fine? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
So same way tell me for B plus. For B plus, this equation, answer. Yes, Papa. Substitute the values in that equation, tell me
Sir,
answer.
1, 0.
You know, 1. You tell me x equal to 0, answer it first.
1, 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0.
So 1, 0 na?
0, 0,
Solving
1.
and telling.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next.
0, 0, 1.
Yeah, others check out what your friend told. Is it matching? So go with this expression, the second expression. Just dump the values in that and write the answer. Bhadrappa. Is it fine? See, if you're able to write this, then next 3 steps will become easier for you. Nothing new we are doing. I'm just copy pasting this answer in a table. That's it. So before that, is it fine with this? Clear? Everyone fine? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So now we will move on to next step number 4. Transition table. You need to plot a transition table. So I'll write TT. Step number 4. So present state. How many present state you have? How many present state you have? Hey, for this diagram, how many present state you have?
2.
A and B, that's all, no. So you have 2 present state, A, B. What about next state?
A plus 2.
In this next state, you have 2 subcategories. One, x equal to 0. For one, x equals to 1. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So you need to make 2 separate categories, x equal to 0, x equals to 1. Under this, you will be having a plus, b plus, a plus, b plus. Understood the table outright, everyone? And last is your output. And what is the output equation you got here? F equals?
AX or B.
So A XOR B. So this is a table what you should remember. So how many present state combination you will get here? Sarinappa? Is it fine till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now listen. See, filling this is just simply from the above step. Look at here. You already got A plus 0 condition as well as 1 condition. So can I directly write this 0, 1, 1, 0? See here, this answer and this answer. Cut and draw.
Yes, sir.
So you got what is the advantage of the table what I wrote earlier? See, straight away you have filled this. Nothing worry about how to fill this table because that is nothing but the previous step only. Am I clear with this? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now can you tell me what is the output? AX or B?
0.
Inputs are here.
0 double.
What's the output? Yeah? 0? A normal XOR output. If any one input is changing, output is high. Otherwise, it is 0 only, right? So for first 2 state, same input. So output is 0. Second input, you can claim it as 1, 1. Okay, now earlier go. Just 1 second here. Yeah. So done till here. Any doubts, anyone? Is it fine till here? Okay, now
Yes, sir.
go.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now listen. See, we are at almost at the end of this problem. Once you know till here, ultimate goal is to plot a state diagram. So to plot the state diagram, we should have a variables with us, corresponding binary sequence with the corresponding variables. So let's designate the variables as 0, 0 with A. You can write capital or small, it's left to you. 0, 1 with B, 1, 0 with C, and 1, 1 with D. Sarina, am I clear? So designate the binary with a state variable so that I can write a state diagram. That is the logic. So done till here. So you make next step number 5. You have to draw the state table. So the table what you wrote, this was called as transition table. Now we want state table. So state table means there should not be any binary values. You should write equivalent variable of that. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you build a new table. So let me erase this. So build a new table. Step number 5. So state table, state. Next state in the two category and last is output part. So what is the thing I designated? B, C, D. I want answer from you. Here you can x equal to 0. If it is
B.
0, 1.
BD. B. BDDA.
Compare and tell me what is the answer was here. It was 0, 1. Huh? A understanding or not here? What I'm
Yes, sir.
asking.
B, sir.
B.
So this is B. Good. Next,
D.
D.
you fill one at a time. You fill only x is equal to 0. Drop.
D.
D. D.
Yeah.
D ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ
D.
D.
D ಆಮೇಲೆ
Yeah. Yeah.
A. Good. Now x equals to 1 get wrong.
A.
Yeah.
A
CCD.
C.
B C D na
C.
CC.
C
C.
C.
C C D. Okay na? And this is remains same. This is your output part that remains same. That we can't change because already formula is fixed. Any doubts? Anyone to write this state table? See, follow steps clearly. See, till here it is same procedure. Only diagram alignment will be different for Millet and More. That's all. Apart from that, till here it remains same procedure for both. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Sir.
So now, shall we climb how to write a state diagram for this problem to wind the problem? Clear? So let me write here. Is it visible this side? So before marking the connection, tell me how many states you have?
2.
2 states. State variables, how many you have?
4.
4 state variables. So alignment, you can make it. I will just write 4 bubbles here. So for A, what's the output?
0.
0.
0. This is More structure, right? More model structure, what I'm writing. Next. See, look at here. You have an option that A to B next state. And then here to here, it means B will come here. So what is the corresponding output? It's 1. Then again, B to C is not there. B to C, yeah.
No.
B to C then raw.
No, sir.
It's there, no, for one condition.
Oh, okay.
It means C will come here. What's the output? 1. And last B is here.
1.
0. Output is 0. Artha aita?
Yes,
Have you
sir.
got
Yes,
what I
sir.
told or not? Everyone, is it fine till here?
Yes, sir.
Outline markation of More model, okay na?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So now tell me, look at here. I am at present state A. I am here. If input is 0, it goes to next state. It means from here to here, I need to mark input as 0. Agree?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Good. So present state is A. If X is 1, it says A itself. It means what? Itself? Is it like this?
1. Yes, sir.
Arthat in raw.
Yes, sir.
Good. So now come to next state. Present state is B. So next state is D for X equal to 0. It means I can mark for 0. So X equals to 1, it goes to C. It means it
C.
comes here for 1. Arthat here pelargo.
Yes, sir.
Next, C to D, yeah. So if X is equal to 0, it goes to next state. If it is itself, it is 1. And last category, D to A, if X is 0, if it is 1, itself. That's it, see. This is your state diagram for your More model. Am I clear with this problem to everyone?
Yes, sir.
See, whichever problem you take, whether it is More model or Millet model, at the end only there is a differentiation. So for the same problem, can you plot me Millet so that both will get over here itself? Will you? So whatever diagram I wrote, this is for your More. Yeah. Tell me how many state variables? I'm audible here. Is it
4.
fine? Okay. So state variables
ABCD.
A. See, randomly you mark connections we can make, not an issue. Okay. Now A to A itself at x equals to 1. It means, is it like this?
1.
Okay, Napa?
Yes, sir.
So for that corresponding one, what is the output? 0 na?
0.
So I should write like this. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, A to B is the next state. Input
0.
0. Output and raw. Yartha
1, 0.
Similarly, here,
Right.
B to D connection is there. You can connect B to D. What is the input? 0. What is the output?
1.
1. Okay, let's quickly finish off. Battery is going down there. Yeah. Next, B to C is the connection. B to C is there.
1. X is equal to
Just 1 second. Yeah. So B to C, 1 output 1 apa.
Yes, sir.
Next, coming to C, C to D connection is there with input 0, output 1. C to C connection is there, input 1, output 1. Agree? Next, D to A. D to A connection is there with 0, 0, and D to D itself with 1, 0. So
0.
this is how the difference between Millet and More occurs. I hope everyone got the concept for Millet and More now.
Yes, sir.
So any difficulties?
no, sir.
So if you do reverse engineering, they will give some problem with a state diagram for Millet or More. From this you should do the things reversely. Then you get that logic diagram what you got question. That becomes your one more type of problem. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So any doubts with this Millet More 10 to 14 marks question? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now let me know. See, we want to finish, I think, major 2 more topics. That is your